let's go. So we just saw dolphins over there and I'm gonna try to go catch them with my drone. Can you help me? Wild dolphins swimming around the ship. I captured that on my drone, but then I lost it in the ocean. I need you to stand and hold this up. Stand here, hold this high, and don't move, okay? Fingers here, and hold it high. Wait, I'm gonna take it up. Okay, go. Give it. See it? Where? Oh, yes. Here, I see it. Can you see? Oh, here they are. And it was at this moment that I've realized that I just messed up. You're running away from my drone. So the tender boat started moving and now I need to catch my drone. If I don't catch it, it's gonna fall in the water. See it? So I can just wait up for the speeding tender to reach land. So I had to make a decision. Either I'm gonna wait for the tender to reach land and then I'm risking my battery running low and my drone falling in the water, or I'm just gonna try to catch it myself. Now, I am not losing this drone. So, I decided I'm gonna try to land the drone on a speeding boat in the water. Now, I don't want the drone to crash into people, so I have to bring it low and hopefully I'll be able to catch it before it crashes.
I need to go to put the line.
Caught it on a moving vessel. Okay. The good thing about the Mini is that it's not gonna cut your fingers. Do you wanna say that? It's not gonna cut your fingers.
Meaning, what?
It's not
The
gonna
good
cut
thing about the meaning.
about the Mini
The good thing about the meaning
is it's not gonna cut your fingers.
is not cut out your fingers. What?
Not gonna cut your fingers.
Not cut the fingers. The good thing
About the Mini, it's not gonna cut your fingers.
is not the cut your fingers.
And put the drone forward.
What was that?
Ha! It's not gonna cut your fingers.
The good of the meaning.
The good thing about the Mini,
The good thing about the meaning
it's not gonna cut your fingers.
is not that it's not cut your fingers.
Yes, exactly.
Sorry.
No, you were great, man.
I'm very tired.
You're tired. You were great, man. You were great. So the good thing about the Mini, it's not gonna cut your fingers, but it might hurt. What's your name?
Jerry,
Jerry. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Thanks, Jerry.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow. I just saw these crazy dolphins here in Hawaii. And thanks to these two ladies, what's your name?
Lena.
Lena and
Alika.
Alika. Lena and Alika are the girls who are playing the violin and the piano, right?
Right.
I saw dolphins, Georgina. Yeah, it's insane. And they were the ones who actually told me about the dolphins. So, thanks to them, I got to see the dolphins. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on here? So this is my first time in Hawaii. We arrived this morning and we're gonna be staying here overnight. I had to work for a few hours during the morning, and I really wanted to go out and experience Hawaii and jump in the water, but then it started raining. A friend of mine convinced me that I should buy this bathing suit. Apparently it's some kind of a designer limited edition from Italy. Why not? That is so nice. Good weather, bad weather, I'm getting in the water. And this is a pretty cool bathing suit, swim pants. And they're even designed to fit themselves in a bag like this. That's pretty cool. Since I started this daily vlogging, that's very demanding. I need to go out and create content. I need to go out and film it. And then I need to come back home and edit it. And then on top of that, I need to put some music on it. And the thumbnails, and gosh, these thumbnails are taking so long. And then I need to upload it on the slow Wi-Fi. And on top of that, I need to eat, I need to work, I need to sleep. There's so many things I need to do, so it was very tempting to just stay in my room, skip going out in Hawaii, and make this video about me going to work. I started working very early, and when I was done working, I was tired and the weather was getting crappy. Sitting in my room, I felt like I really want to go out to Hawaii and just walk outside, and I wanted to go swim outside and feel the water in Hawaii. I wanted to jump into these clear water and swim. I want to be able to say that I've been here and I swam in the waters in Hawaii. So pondering, should I go, should I not? That's when it hit me. Whenever you're in doubt if you should get out of your comfort zone, the answer is yes. Get out of your comfort zone. In the last few weeks, since I started challenging myself to push myself out of the comfort zone, and I had a few occasions where I felt like I just want to stay in my room. However, I decided to get out of there, and I went out, and I ended up seeing a glacier. I ended up climbing this crazy mountain that looks like it's from Lord of the Rings. I felt like I was Legolas or Aragorn running on these hills. I ended up going on this crazy fishing expedition. I ended up watching live bears in the forest eating salmon with their hands from the river. I'm telling you, there's so many exciting things out there that are just waiting for you to experience them. But for you to go there, you need to push yourself out of your comfort zone. You need to get yourself out of the place where you're just sitting doing nothing and wasting your time. So yes, not every time that you're gonna go out, life is gonna be exciting. Sometimes you're just gonna go out and nothing is gonna happen. It's just gonna be a boring, casual day, and that's fine. However, if you don't go out, if you don't push yourself out of your comfort zone, I can promise you one thing for sure. You will not see the glacier. You will not see the wild bears in the forest eating salmon. You will not climb this beautiful mountain with your friends. You will miss out on so many beautiful things that life have to offer. So my point is, whenever you're in dilemma, should I stay in my comfort zone right now or should I go out? The answer is always, get out of your comfort zone. Go out, meet some friends, go on a hike, go on a trip, go on a date, go film something, go build something. Just go out for a walk. You never know what's gonna happen, if you're gonna bump into some wild dolphins jumping in the water. And maybe one of the most important things is you will not get to enjoy watching this beautiful sunset over the Hawaiian Sea. Hey!
Oh, hi there!
Hello, ladies! Yeah, exactly. What is this weirdo doing? How are you ladies doing?
Great. We just had dinner.
Really?
All the way over there.
Yeah.
So I'm in love with Hawaii.
Yeah, I saw dolphins but not jumping. They were just like...
I saw them and I went and they were jumping in front of the ship, that little bulbous in the front. They were swimming around it and jumping. It was insane.
How do you call a dolphin? No, that's a parrot. I'm like,
That is a horse actually in Brazil. I don't know.
In my head it sounds much better, yeah.
I'm doing it in my brain.
Exactly. So, yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It's really fun watching with you guys. Hey, how are you? Love your beard. I really hope you enjoyed, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I see you tomorrow. I think I accidentally just crashed a wedding with my drone. I mean, I didn't crash it. I just captured the beautiful wedding with my drone. And if anyone knows who are these people that got married, please feel free, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to send them the video, because I got this really cool video where they had this band of local Hawaiian explorers or warriors or shamans going on their canoes and then breaching on land and then going with these torches, and I just happened to be around flying my drone and I saw it. So if anyone knows who this wedding is to, let me know. I'll be more than happy to share my video with them. If not, then, well, it's a nice video.